Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start working on the Mazda, please help me subscribe, click that bell notification so every time I have new videos you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2018 Mazda 3 or a Toyota Yaris IA. It's the same model, same thing. Right now the problem is the blow motor doesn't work, so there's no AC or heat at all. So you see, turn it down, the temperature turned down, trying to see if it changes anything. Nothing. There's no air coming out. Turn it lower, nothing. I'm suspecting is the blow motor resistor that's not grounding the blow motor. So there's two things. So either the control unit is bad or the blow motor resistor, but most likely it's going to be the blow motor resistor, because the control unit will tell the resistor a certain speed, control it a certain speed, and then the resistor will ground the blow motor at whatever speed that you're commanding it. Blow motor is on the passenger side down here. You don't have to take out the glove box. I just take it out so you guys can see it easier. This is where your blow motor sits. This is all your blend door and stuff like that, cabin air filter. But I'm just showing you for the blow motor, there's three screws that's holding on to it, one connector. Now for the connector, you're gonna press on this tab, pull down, and there's three screws, 1, 2, 3. Now I have the car on with the control unit is on too. I'm checking for power and ground at the connector. So right now you can see that's power. That's power right there, positive. It has power. Let's see if we have ground. No, we don't have ground. So the problem is we have power coming down, but we don't have ground. So now I'm gonna check the blow motor to see if the blow motor works by itself when I power it. You had to test the blow motor by itself, powering it. So I have my ground on one side, and I'm gonna put power in on the other side of the pin. So that's complete circuit right there. I just need to put power to see if it spin. There you go. There you go. You can see I put power in and the blow motor working. So the blow motor is good. And this is original. If you guys wanting the part number, I think this one of these number, and it's made in Japan. So this is original right there. This is another blow motor controller resistor that I bought. Here is the original one. Now you can see I got the original one out of this hole right here, so which is right here. Now what you're gonna do is, you see this lock right here, so it's mounted on like this. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna press on this tab, turn left and pull it out. And now I'm showing you that with the old blow motor resistor, it doesn't have ground. Before it has power but no ground, right? See that? So the resistor is grounding the blow motor. Now I'm gonna put the new one in. So I'm just gonna have it on the left, turn it to the right. There you go, you hear that click. Now let me show you again one more time. Let me move the wire out of the way. So you see this tab? See the tab? Press on this tab, twist it left to get it out. Now to put it back, there you go, clicks. Now just showing you, if you guys want to remove the glove box, just this is the two hook hooked on right here, and then they have the two little thing right here that hooks onto the side right here. And if you want to remove it, you just press both sides, press in, pull it out. But if you put it back, that's it. You're gonna get it out just like this, and both sides pull down. Let me show you the part number again for the blow motor resistor. So this is the one I bought. It's also original, made in Japan. That's the part. Here's a different part number for this one. I think it's the top or the bottom, whatever, but it's still part number. It's also made in Japan. This one, do not repair, just replace it. That's how it looked like. So it's just a blow motor resistor that's not giving it ground. So now I'm gonna check it one more time. There you go. Now I can feel the air is coming out. low, turn it off, so it works now. So it's just a low motor resistor. That's it for this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe. If you guys have any comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.